All right, so here are the new bookcases that I have gotten for my home office. I absolutely love them. The inspiration was these shelves that I saw on the Restoration Hardware site. So I wanted to try to replicate the look, but for a lot less. And I found these shelves on Walmart.com and they were, I think, $68 a piece. There's my new shelves. Like it. Like it, like it. I think I need to change the artwork in the middle now, so. But yeah, I like these a whole lot better than the other ones. They were more farmhouse. All right, guys, so this is how the bookcases are looking. I have them styled. I am not quite 100% complete yet. There are some things missing, but I thought I would go ahead and show you and give you the idea that I am going for with these bookcases. Again, I told you they are Restoration Hardware inspired, and as such, I wanted to try to give them a Restoration Hardware type vibe. So here are the DIY vases that we picked up from Joann. We gave them a cement look, and I absolutely love how they turned out. Here is the vase that I picked up from Ross. Again, it was $9.99, and this little baby one, gosh, it was more expensive than, or probably about the same price as the larger vase, but that one came from Joann. These were 60% off. The taller one was $19.99. The smaller one was $16.99 at 60% off. And here, sorry guys, I have allergies, please forgive me. Here are our other cement vases that we DIY'd. If you missed that video, I will leave a link for them down below. And I told you guys I am loving greenery for summer, so I wanted to bring some of that life into my home office. So I have put some greenery here in this vase. Absolutely love the look. The cracked horse is so Restoration Hardware. Oh my gosh, if I can get you up here to see. Absolutely love him. He was a little expensive. He was $39.99. He came from Marshall's, but I absolutely love him. And I'm trying to have symmetry between the two bookcases, so of course I had to get two. I ordered the first one and it arrived, and I didn't realize it was going to be that big, but I loved it so much. I was like, let me go ahead and order a second one. And guys, I didn't know if I was going to get it because it was taking so long. I thought, oh my gosh, what am I going to do if I can't have a matching pair? But it showed up yesterday, so absolutely love them both. Now this piece I was on the hunt for. I picked this up from the at-home store, and as I said, I want to have symmetry, so I want to have both, two on each side. But when I went back to the at-home store today, I could not find it, so I have to visit some other at-home stores to see if I can find another. I guess it's like a platter, but again, it has that cement look, so everything is cohesive on the shelves. So I'm on the hunt for that. And then while I was looking for this piece, I found this piece from the at-home store, and I absolutely love it. It was $9.99, and even though I want to have some symmetry between the two shelves, I have this vase on this side. So it looks a little different, but if you stand back and look at it from this side, everything is very cohesive, and I absolutely love how the shelves are coming together. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's content and enjoyed this video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below Let me know what you think of my restoration hardware inspired bookcases. Again, these came from Walmart and they were $69 a piece. I went to check them the other day and they're actually sold out, so hopefully they come back in stock soon in case you are interested. And I will leave a link for them down below in the description box. So yeah, I'm changing my home office around. So this is what's currently on the wall, but that is going to change. I picked up this piece from Ross, oh gosh, last year or earlier this year. I think it was like $20. And this Prada sign is a DIY. It's just a sign that I printed out from, what is it, Google? Or yeah, from Google, and then I matted it and put it in a frame from Michael's. So yeah, but they're not going to stay here. I want to do like a modern abstract print to go in the space above the TV area. And I think I'm also going to change out this really tiny little shabby TV stand. So yeah, it's not quite finished, so make sure you come back and see the finished look. I hope to have that done in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and I will see you in the next video. So I'm going to be changing up my home office, and again, I wanted to bring in some greenery. So I found this little baby at Ross a couple of weeks ago. And it was actually $59. It's the same size as the one that I picked up from Amazon from $99. So be on the lookout for this if you're interested. At Ross, it'll save you a lot more money. Want to get a new office chair. This one, the piping has yellowed over the years. So yeah, just want to change it out a bit, but this is how the office is looking currently on this side. So that is all going to change. So make sure you are subscribed so you can see what new ideas I have coming up for my home office.